Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my kit, and this is also a kit for beginners, and this is also a makeup kit for school and college going girls. So the first thing is a primer. It acts like a shield between your makeup and skin.
अदरवाइज यू कैन यूज़ एलोवेरा जेल. इट इज़ अ स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट और ये आपकी स्किन को बिल्कुल स्मूथ बना देगा आपके मेकअप के लिए.
If you don't have neither of them, you can use a gel cream like this one. It's called Pond Super Light Gel Cream. Second up is BB cream. You should definitely own one of these. On daily basis हम ज़्यादा फाउंडेशन नहीं लगाते हैं और ज़्यादा कवरेज की ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ती है, तो आप BB cream perfect आपके लिए. The texture is very nice too. It's just like applying other moisturizers to your skin. And you can use foundation with moisturizer to get a sun-kissed look. I would recommend using this Maybelline New York one. It's really smooth on my skin. Third up, we have compact powder. It is used to settle down our makeup. And this is very affordable. If you don't want to buy BB cream, compact powder is also good to go. It is easy to use on daily basis. Fourth is eyebrow pencil and kajal. I use kajal as a eyeliner too.
I use this Faces Canada Super Black Eye Pencil. And here's the eyebrow pencil. It is also waterproof. It has a brush at the end to brush my brows after I'm done using it. Next up is mascara. I don't use this too often because I have natural long lashes.
Fifth is a concealer and contour palette. This one is really smooth and it helps me to give a very nice shape to my face. And it is a very creamy contour palette. These two are my two favorite shades to use. If you have an uneven skin, this palette is perfect for you. It has many different shades which can suit you on different styles. Number 6 is this eyeshadow palette. I really like this one because it's very affordable and it also has a lot of nude shades, and I can use this for blush too. So I don't have to buy a separate blush. And it also comes with this little Q-tip which I can use. It also has lid, crease and highlighter, and I really like this. I really like to use this for a base. My personal favorites are these three. This one is really shimmery and really nice too. I really like this nude color too. It goes with every single dress I wear. Next up we have lipsticks. I cannot forget to mention these lipsticks. They are very important to finish off a look. I am obsessed with the nude ones. Nude lipsticks are easily wearable and will go with every single dress you wear. Here's my nude lipstick.
It's always good to have colorful lipsticks for different occasions, and I love the color red and I love to collect red colors since they're very attractive and go with my outfits.
These are the products that I would recommend you if you're a school going girl, college girl or even a beginner. These are the products that I use on daily basis as well, and don't forget to comment down below what else videos you want me to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you never miss an update from my channel. And bye bye. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram too.